Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mike once again. I want to share something with you guys. I just got a shipment in from A&J Toys, some new Matchbox. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I picked up 6 cases of the L case, as you can see. You guys know why I did that, didn't you? Because it's the debut of the Skyline. So we're going to open the box, and you're going to witness it right now. My daughter just finished her homework, like a good girl. Now she's on the computer right on the right side of me. Alright. Oh, and I see the Skyline. Ooh, boy, oh boy. This is a good one. I already see it. So what we're going to do is move this way. Alright, so you can see my ugly face. Alright, here we go. We got another, this one got a little cracked up a little bit. See the blisters a little wacko. But this is the Silverado. I don't know if you guys have seen this alright or what. The light looks like it's all messed up here. There we are. There you go. Let me do something real quick. Hold on, guys. It's too bright, so I think the camera's being affected. Can you see me? Yeah, we're gonna have to make do, but this is the Silverado. This is from the last case. So put that knife over there. This is the Volkswagen Common Ghia. This is nice color. What's his name did a video? Paul Wooten, along with Angel. AR Hotbox. That was a cool video. There we go. We got this Moto Tracker, which is one of the ugliest things I've ever seen. Come on, Matchbox, you gotta get rid of these type of vehicles. I know it's for the kids, I know it. Anyways, here we have the Hydro Cruiser. It's a new one, I think. There's 2 of those. I guess it's a popular casting right now. I don't know if it will be tomorrow, but it is right now. And what we got here? The Land Rover Defender 110. I'm glad this is carried over. I love this casting. Very, very popular. Might even be a close competitor against the Skyline, believe it or not. It's one of my favorite castings right here. Love it. Let's see. What do we got? We got the Malibu Marauder. That's okay, I guess. Yeah, this camera is not focusing right. I should have did this in my office where I normally take my videos. It's because it's so bright out. Maybe if I put the blinds down, I don't know. That's the problem. It's too bright. Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Ladies and gentlemen, the Raptor. Yep. My daughter thinks it's funny. But that's a nice truck. She knows I'm a clown. And I have the 2015 Jaguar Type Coupe. This is nice. I have it in black. That was the first one they did, was one in black. Now it's in orange. Orange? Pretty cool. Like it. What do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? This is pretty cool. This one is the Blades Blitzer. This is nice. I like this one. I'll be out in a minute. No, I won't. You guys must think I'm nuts. It's because I am. And then I got this road roller, which is one of the ugliest things on the planet.
It's my favorite color, though.
Oh yeah, the blue?
Yeah.
The flyer here. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. I'm pretty sure it'll sink if you put it in water. Anyways, moving along, moving along. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Turf tilter. Another whacked out casting. That's whatever, you know. Swamp Raider. This almost looks like a Land Rover or some sort, or a Jeep or something. Looks pretty cool. That's not bad.
Hey, stop it a minute.
I actually like that, believe it or not. The Matchbox GX Digger or something. That's not too bad. It's pretty cool looking. If my bits break, my drill bits break for when I do my customs, I can use this drill right here. No. My daughter's looking at me like, are you okay?
No, I'm not.
I'm really not okay, but it's all right.
Lucky you.
We got the Infinity G37 Coupe. This is pretty nice. Details on both sides, front and rear end. That is pretty nice. There's a detail in the back there. Hope you can see it. Yeah, sorry about this video, guys. The quality isn't as good as normal because of how bright it is behind me. The sun is pounding on the windows right here, so it's actually too bright. My camera's reacting weird, sort of like I do. 63 Cadillac ambulance. This is pretty sweet. I'm glad they decided to put this back in the lineup. That's pretty nice. I have the original ones that come out a couple years ago, 2-3 years ago, maybe longer. I think I still have some of them around. That's pretty nice. And we have this construction deal here. It's okay. Not my cup of tea. Of course, you guys know I'm going to show the Skyline last, right? I mean, it's no surprise, is it? Yeah. Oh yeah, those things are beautiful. Wow. Very impressed. And we have, oh, look at this. I can't believe this. Look, we got a Cadillac CTS coming out of the blister. Look at it. It wants to escape. Look at it. Mint card, but the blister got blown out. Look at that. It's trying to come out. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's going to get a wheel swap anyway, so. Wow, that's pretty cool. This car is nice, actually, the color. Let's crack it, because for some reason when I'm trying to pull it out of the package, it's not pulling out. So let's do it this way. Wow, what a paint job on this. This is pretty. This is nice. Check that out. I don't know if you can see it. The color, that is beautiful. Very, very nice. Detail. Again, the Cadillac CTS. Nice details. That's a beautiful car. Awesome. Got the wheel and wrecker. Ugly. We got 2 of them. Great. So happy to have those in my collection. No, I'm not. Then this dumb thing. I don't know why they keep making this. The Matchbox TKT Plus. Ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly. Just like me.
Dad.
She hates when I say that. Anyways. Here are the Skylines. Very, very impressed. And you get 2. This is how it's looking so far in a case. 2 Skylines. 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX. Nice metallic. Looks like metallic. Yep, metallic silver. Very, very, very cool. Look at that. That is beautiful. Trying to see if I yeah, so the lens is clean, so it's not the lens, it's again the lighting behind me. That's what's messing this video up. But here you go. I'm not going to do it over. This is what it looks like. Very nice Skyline. I got 6 boxes, so that means I'm going to have 12 Skylines total so far, and hopefully many more to come. I'm sure I'll have a lot of people looking out for me to keep on getting these for me, which I hope you would. That would really, really mean a lot. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing. I have 5 more boxes to go through just to make sure everything's okay. And thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, take care and God bless. Say bye, Nina.
Bye.
Bye.